everyone! It's Green's birthday and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Fire Truck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona. Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in! Oh! We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons, Green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please? It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, mechanicals! Nice work, mechanicals! And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you. Hooray!
Hi, Vicky. Hello, everyone. Today we're at the beach because... No swimming today, I'm afraid, Max. We're here to help Vicky because her engine won't start. Now, let's see what the problem is. You need a new battery to power your motor. And your freezer needs power to stop all the ice cream from melting. Don't worry, Max. We'll tow Vicky back to the garage. I've got a brand new battery just for you. It's okay, Blue. That sound is just Tilly's turbocharger, which gives her power to tow other vehicles. Oh, no! That sound means Tilly's starter motor has broken. Now her engine won't start either. Oh, nuts and bolts. I need to fix Vicky and Tilly back at the garage. But now we have no way of getting there.
Strawberry ice cream, please. Wait, no, chocolate. Vanilla!
Sorry, Mr. Weasel. Vicky's lost power, so she can't serve any ice cream today.
No ice cream.
We were about to tow Vicky back to the garage, but Tilly broke down too, so now we're all stranded.
We must have ice cream. Sly can tow you back.
Very kind of you to offer help, Mr. Weasel, but I don't think Sly's engine has the power to tow us all.
Oh, I really wanted some ice cream. I really wanted to help. If only Sly had more power.
I have an idea. We'll put Tilly's turbocharger into Sly, then you will have the power to tow us home.
And then we get ice cream?
If we work together, we can fix Tilly and Vicky in time for everyone to have ice cream. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, undo these bolts, then remove the turbocharger. And now we fit it into Sly's engine by bolting it securely.
Righty-tighty. Yes, we did it!
It worked! Now let's get back to the garage. Vicky and Tilly are both fixed up and good as new.
So is it ice cream time now?
What do you think, Vicky? If you're stuck and don't know what to do, help from friends will get you through. Goodbye, everyone.
I'm so happy.
Hooray! Oh, she's done it! Don't worry, Molly. We'll rescue your teddy. Come on, everyone. Oh, whoops! The teddy's on Fiona! Follow that fire truck! Fiona! Stop! Ooh, what the?
Hop it, Frog! Let me past! Wilbur T. Weasel coming through! Ah, no! The light is always red!
Wait, Fiona! I need to look on your roof! Nuts and bolts! It's gone!
Oh, about time. Well, well, a new mascot to share our journeys with, Sly. Where's my camera? I want to take a photo. And maybe I'll use the teddy to clean my windows too. Yeah.
Oh, we'll keep looking, Molly. Don't worry. We would get a better view from the sky. Spinning screwdrivers! It's Molly's teddy! Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Where's it gone, Sly? It can't have just vanished.
Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Today we're at Trevor's farm to enjoy some delicious homemade lemonade.
I love lemonade.
We've brought our own special metal straws.
Oh, Trevor, it's delicious! Thank you.
Trevor collects rainwater in that tank to water the trees. When the lemons are ripe, they're picked and squeezed and made into lemonade. Oh, Green, it's the lemons that need squeezing, not the trees. Nuts and bolts, we must stop that water from being wasted.
Don't worry, Dandy's the chap to turn off that tap.
Oh, soggy screwdrivers. The leak has made it so muddy that it's too slippery to reach the tap.
Oh no! Trevor needs this water for his crops to grow.
You're right, Dandy. We can't let it leak away. Let's think of a plan. That's it, Blue. We'll use suction to collect the water, like a giant straw.
Oh, yes, Gecko! But how?
With a little adjustment to your hose. If that's okay, please, Fiona. Oh, thank you. What tool do we need? Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. The pump motor on Fiona's hose makes the water flow outwards. But if we reverse the motor, the hose will suck water back up into Fiona's tank.
Ready to go with the flow, Gecko! It's working! Well done, Fiona. You saved every last drop possible.
Fiona's tank is almost full. Now it's time to refill Trevor's tank.
All done, Trevor!
Your tank is full again. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
By working together, the precious water was saved. Now Trevor's lemons can grow to make more lemonade. Goodbye, everyone.
Maybe we could fill Fiona's tank with lemonade.
Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old.
Hello, everyone. We're having a beach day today.
The Mechanicals are playing hide and seek with Helena.
Have fun! But don't go too far. If you get lost, stay put and call out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here she comes. Gecko, look!
Salty screwdrivers! That's seed bog, and it's rolling in fast. Mechanicals, stay where you are and call out. We'll follow the sound. There you are! Oh, we found you! Oh, yay! It's Helena's tail rotor.
But where's Helena?
Don't worry, Cat. We'll find her.
Wait! Listen! I can hear Helena! This way! We found you! Ay, qué bueno!
But look! The tide's coming in! We need to reattach Helena's tail rotor! Quick!
See, Gecko, without her tail rotor, Helena will spin out of control!
What tools do I need? Screwdriver, wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! Hurry now, mates! This fix is a race! To beat the tide and get this rotor in place! This bolt will hold your rotor tight when spinning fast during flight. Now let's adjust the rotor here so it can help you balance and steer.
Magnifico! Gracias, Gecko.
Oh, you're welcome, Cat. We did it!
Oop, gotta fly. Quick, now take off before the tide comes in. See you back on the base.
Woo! Goodbye, everyone.